What is up, guys? Welcome to day one, walking from the Netherlands to Spain. I've been to the pedicure to do some nice TLC for my feet, had a nice dinner with my best friend, cooked some food for my family, went to the barbershop for the last time, said mentally goodbye to my dog and my cat. I ordered so many packages, I didn't even know what to do with it, but built some cat grips for my little kitty cat. Enjoy the shit show. This is day one. Thank you so much for watching. What is up, guys? My name is Frank and I'm attempting to walk from the Netherlands all the way to Spain. About 2 months ago I came up with this idea. I bought a nice backpack, 80 euro, way too small. That's what she said. So I had to come with a solution. About a week ago, 2 weeks ago, I had this backpack, also completely useless. Damn! So what did I do? A week ago I bought a nice backpack from Osprey, 200 euro. My bank account hurts, guys. So last night I was packing up my bag and as you can tell, it's completely full and all of this stuff has to fit as well. So day one, starting out fantastic, epic fail, but that's how shit goes. I'm going to get ready. We're going to the camping shop and buy a completely new backpack. Backpack number 4 will be a good one. Will this journey ever succeed? Stay tuned. See you guys outside. Shout out my mama, my camera woman today. We made it. The camping shop. Let's get inside and find a new backpack shop. Loads of backpacks. Well, we gotta find a proper one with enough space. I don't want to get backpack number 5, so I'm gonna look what suits the best for me. And keep you guys up to date. Alright guys, so new backpack acquired. Big enough, as you can see. Most likely everything will fit today. So let's go to the cachet. Just kidding. We have this bad boy. Alright guys, new backpack, Osprey. This time 65 liters, so I hope it's enough. I don't know how much, probably 280 euro. My bank account is crying, guys. But all good, let's go pay the bill. And, head off home, pack my bag and then get on the road. It's almost 1 p.m. already. I'm still getting my stuff together. So hopefully we make it today to the camping spot. Stay tuned and see you guys home again. Alrighty guys, made it back home. New backpack acquired. So 65 liter. Hopefully everything what I have here will fit in that one. And all the extra rubbish I have here. So let's see, stay tuned. So I managed to put all my stuff in my new backpack. And yeah, some stuff I still gotta leave behind, unfortunately. All right, little update guys. It's already past 5 p.m. and I'm still not on the road. You can call me the Island Phils from now on. The thing is, I'm still waiting for, I ordered some hiking shoes. And the guy, the delivery boy, will be here in like 15-20 minutes from now on. I'm actually gonna need those hiking shoes, so I will wait for that. Then we gotta find a way to bring our ass to the camping spot. But hey, where there's a will, there's a way. Probably I can make some sort of magic happen. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for the delivery guy. Then we go from there, I guess. Hi, hey, goeiedag. Hoi, hoi. Alright guys, so the hiking shoes are in. There can mean only one thing. I'm going to the supermarket, buy a little salad for tonight, so I have something to eat at the camping spot, because yeah, definitely gonna need something before I go to bed. And I still gotta find a way to get there. Yeah, we shall see. Yeah, I thought maybe show you guys what I have actually bought. So I thought when I come at some places, I want to explore a bit without walking on my huge hiking shoes. I bought these North Face sort of walking shoes. So hey, looking nice, looking nice. So yeah, I only gotta put that in my little backpack, and then we're finally done. Oh, at last. Oh. Not too shabby, huh? At last, we can leave house and get on the road. Wait for Mama Kitty, and ask her if she knows a way how we can get to our destination. But yeah, guys, bad news. Also, my fourth backpack today, 65 liter, it just ain't working. Like, my drone is getting squashed in the backpack. It's completely full. So we're going back to the camping shop once again. There's one more backpack, 75 liters. I just ordered it. We're gonna pick it up. Hopefully that will be the solution for this. And yeah, and also guys, I'm gonna leave tomorrow instead of today, because it's already 7 p.m. and probably the camping site is closing by now. So let's go to the camping shop one more time, guys. It is what it is. Life of the island fails. What you saying, Mama Kitty? You were telling me, okay, this time you gotta look well. She's done with it also. And make sure it's the right one, otherwise don't even bring it with you. Bring this one back, get a new one, bring it back home, test it. Hopefully I can actually leave tomorrow, because I'm not gonna lie, I was super pissed off because I was supposed to be a long way on the road. Well, let's go back inside again. Come on, Mama Kitty, camera woman, and replace it with the new backpack, and then yeah, see you guys shortly, I guess, hopefully. Alrighty guys, backpack number 5, a blue one this time, my favorite color, colorblind, 75 liter. So hopefully this time all my gear will fit in the bag. Fingers crossed. And my mama is shaking no behind the camera. Anyway, let's get home, put all the stuff in, and then we go from there. See you guys at home. The things you see in the Netherlands. All right, let's get home, Mama Kitty. We need to try our new backpack. Let's go. No, number 5. Number 5 already. Damn. Alright guys, few moments later. Watch some tutorials of this new backpack so I know what to do with it. So now we gotta make sure all the stuff actually fits at this time. Fingers crossed. Slow-mo. Had a nice lovely Dutch meal, you saw it. The Dutch sausage, the frikandel special. So I'm ready to pack the bag, put the fries in the bag, call it a day. It's almost 10 p.m. so I actually gotta go to bed shortly. So wish me luck. Yes, we did it, my lovely people. We finally made it happen. All my gear fits in the bag. I didn't need to squash my DJI Neo, my drone, you know, so great. It's 11:30, I'm freaking tired, it's been a busy day, a lot of fails, but also I learned a lot. Tomorrow, day 2, will we make it along the road, along the Netherlands? Stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. This is The Island Fails, trying to get his ass to Spain. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Don't forget, hype, subscribe, like, share, leave a little comment down below. Enough self-promotion. I see you guys tomorrow for day 2. And thank you so much for watching.